Okay guys, we are gonna change the oil on my car. I have my 14 millimeter and we're gonna crack this thing open. I'm gonna freaking break it.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Oh, it's warm.
That's perfect. Oh, yeah. Good job. Now let it put it right in the pan. Yep. Good job. Good job.
Thank you. Oh no.
Now you gotta say, uh-oh, I peeled.
Uh-oh, I failed.
Now we put on the new oil filter.
Wow. What kind of filter is that?
Mobile.
If you don't get a mobile filter, like if you just got a stationary filter and you drive your car, your filter's gonna get left behind. So you gotta get a mobile filter. What was the point of that?
To drive by.
Freaking drive-bys. I thought this was a safe neighborhood.
I'll get that later. Okay, now we take some oil,
Oh yeah, get on it.
rub it around, and then you go as tight as you can
Yep.
until
You can't go
you
any
can't
further.
go any farther. And then you find somebody else to check it. Oh, and then we find
Somebody else.
somebody else. Baxter!
I am so ready.
Yeah, find it.
Always torque your nuts, right? Never should have doubted her.
No.
What a woman.